Hello everyone, this is the part 2 for the mailing tab. Okay, in this video we will see how we can work with the mailing options with the help of step-by-step mail merge wizard. Okay, it is the easiest method to create letters, to create envelopes. So let's start with this. You will click on start mail merge. Here you will select step by step mail merge wizard. Fine. When you click here, you can see here on the right side of the screen. Okay, there are some options available with us. Whether you wanted to create what type of document you are working on. We are working. If you wanted to work on letters, you can select this. If you wanted to work on envelopes, you can select that. Okay, we wanted to work on letters. That's why I've selected this. After this, you can notice here the steps are from 1 to 6. 1 to 6 steps are available. Okay, in 6 steps we are done with the all the process of mailing. Okay, now we will click on next option with the starting document. Here you can see the next option is how do you wanted to set up your letter. Like you wanted to set up your letter by using a template, or you wanted to start from existing document. If you'll choose this option, use the current document. Whatever you might have written in this document, that document will be considered as the letter. If you wanted to choose any another template, like some predefined templates are available in the Word, you can select those templates. For example, like reports, resumes, like which kind of template you would like. For example, we want this template, so I have added this template. For example, I wanted to use this template. Here I can edit whatever data I wanted to add into this. Okay, after that we can create this. Okay, so whatever you wanted to add here, you can add here in the document. Wherever you wanted to add the detail of the student, so at that particular place, you can add that detail. For example, I wanted to add the detail here. Okay, as per your requirement. If you wanted to use the current document, you don't wanted to use this, you can do undo here. Okay, fine. So if you wanted to use this document, then it is also fine. Okay, you can start. For example, I don't wanted to use any template. I wanted to work with this document, so I have deleted that particular template. Okay, if you wanted to use any other existing, you can choose this option. But I am using this document. For example, I have created my letter. This is to consider this is my letter for the document. After this, we'll click on next, select recipient. Okay, if you wanted to move a next option, you can click here. If you wanted to move to the previous option, you can click here. Fine. Now we have three options. First, use an existing list. If you have already created a list, you can use this list. For example, if you wanted to use this option, we'll click on browse. Okay, you can see here I have created some lists earlier. I'll select this list and click on open. It will show me the detail of the students which I have been already added into the list. For example, I don't wanted to have the student, I don't wanted to send the letter to the student right now. So I can unselect this checkbox. The letter will be created only for these two students, not for this one. So this way you can edit your details or a recipient list also. Okay, if you wanted to create your own list, you can select this option, type a new list. Here is the option for create. You can click here to create. You can see here are number of options available with us: title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2. Which options you wanted to with which option you wanted to go with, you can have those options. Otherwise, two other options you can delete them as well. Okay, how you can delete those options? For that, you need to click on customize column. Okay, for example, we don't want title to be here, you can delete it. Okay, for example, we don't want email address to be here, you don't want this to be here, you don't want this, you don't want this. For example, we don't want this. So you can edit it as per your requirement. For example, I want this 4 fields only. I wanted to rename the address line 1. So you can click there. I wanted to be here the address only. So I have written this. Fine. After this, you'll click on OK. Okay, this is the this is the merged fields are ready. Okay, the field names are ready. Now you are supposed to fill the entries into these fields. For example, first entry I'm writing here is Ashvi and the last name is Kapil. And the address I wanted to add is, for example, Arya Nagar. And city I wanted to add is Bahadurgarh. Okay, now next entry I wanted to add is, for example, Neha Sharma. For example, I'm writing here the city Chandigarh. Fine. For example, next entry I wanted to add is Ranchi. Whatever you wanted to write here, whatever is the detail, you will write that particular detail here. Okay, for example, I wanted to create the record for these 3 students only. After this, I'll click on OK. It will ask you for the location where the file needed to be saved, and it will ask you for the file name. For example, I'll write here the file name student2, and I clicked on save. Okay, now it will ask you whether you wanted to consider all these participants into your list. If you don't want any of the recipient to be in the letter, you can uncheck it. If you want all the recipients to be here, then you can click on OK. Okay, after this, if next you need to click here, next to write your letter. Here you can write your letter. Okay, for example, you have prepared your letter. The first thing you are supposed to do is, first thing we are going to merge our fields here. Okay, whatever entries we have done over there, we are going to merge those entries here. For this, we have first option, address block. You wanted to add address block here. Okay, how this way the address blocks will be added to your document. If you wanted to see for the previous one, this is for the first one, this is for the second one. This way the address blocks are getting added into your document. After this, you will click on OK. The address block has been added to your document. Now, if you wanted to add the greeting line, you can add this. For example, you want dear Prachi Kapil should be written over there. Okay, dear this kind of should be written over there. So you can write that particular stuff and click on like notice here what is written, greeting line for invalid recipient name. If your system is not able to match the recipient name, for example, your system is not able to match the first name or last name, then it will show dear sir or madam instead of dear name of the person. Okay, if your system is not is unable to match the fields, you can match the fields by your own. You can click here, you can match here, the first name is in this column, last name is in this column. Whatever you wanted to match here, you can match it. Click on OK and click on OK. Okay, after this, you will click here, next, preview your letter. Okay, next option is you can preview your letter. Okay, this is the preview for your letter. So if you wanted to see the first one, you can see the first one. If you wanted to see the second one, you can see the second one as well, third one also. Okay, after this is the final step is to complete your letter. You can click here, next, complete merge. Okay, after this, the 2 options are here. Like first one is print. If you wanted to take direct print out, you can click on print and you can take out the printout. If you wanted to like added the individual letter, okay, you wanted to create the letter for all the individuals, then you can click here, edit individual document. After this, you will click here, select here all option, then you will click on OK. So it will create the document, the letters for all the persons. Okay, for first person, for third person. Okay, so likewise. Thank you so much. This is for the today's session.